This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 315BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, TV, refrigerator, microwave, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, Slideout, water heater, stove top burner, smoke detector, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 315BH is 8,212 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.